Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said that I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Sabi nga sa kanta, looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my lalabs. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. At yung someday na iyon, ngayong araw, April 15, 2023,
Ayo, di ba? Pang 187 pounds na yan.
What was done, what was done.
as we start our new journey, may this gift be a reminder that starting today, I will be your navigator and sidekick in all of our adventures in life. There might sometimes disagreements, but always remember that whatever happens at the end of the day, our love and respect for each other will always prevail. Your hubby. Parang hindi siya.
Kung saan ka galing, naligaw kaya ka.
Can't outrun, oh, what was done, oh.
Before talaga kami, sir, dumating dito sa day na to, honestly speaking, dumating kami sa point na ayoko na siyang ituloy. Parang sa dami ng pinagdadaanan namin na parang ayaw nga matuloy yung kasal. Ako na yung mismo umaayaw na wag na lang natin muna ituloy. Yun nga yung isa sa struggle. Yung daddy ko, which is uncle ko po, na dapat maghahatid naiyak ako. Dapat maghahatid sa akin. He passed away last year. Sobra yung pasasalamat ko sa kanya. Hindi lang dahil sa kasal na to, kundi nakahanap ako ng kakampi sa kakaramay sa kanya.
I'm not looking for the answers. I don't need to right the wrongs. I'm not looking for redemption. No, for what was done, for what was done. I'm not looking for the answers. I don't need to right the wrongs. I'm not looking for redemption. Oh, for what was done, what was done.
Meg, when I am with you, everything else fades to the background. You flood my senses with joy. You are my life. You are my greatest gift. I'm so lucky to finally call you my loving wife. Forever with you simply will not be enough, but from this day forward, I vow to make the most of every moment with this ring. I promise you that you will never have to face the world alone. I promise to be there to catch you. If you stumble, carry over every threshold and fall in love with you every day. I pledge today to have all the patience and passion that love demands. In the laughter and in the silence, I will be forever by your side. I love you, my wife.
Cold. When you feel tired and alone, what's it take to make you strong? What's it take to make you strong? I was running, hiding, fighting, trying to find a place to go. My only love. I was fighting, felt divided, searching for a path to follow. My only love.
Neng,
Wala pa nga, umiiyak na.
ikakasal ka na ngayon. Sana bless ni Lord maging okay ang pamumuhay niyo.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa ni Meg. Sa wakas, magpapakasal na kayo.
Salamat sa lahat, anak. Kasi hindi mo ako pinabayaan.
Siyempre, kahit naman mag-asawa ako. For that all long way, I loved you 11 years ago and I still love you kahit sa araw na hindi ka kamahal-mahal. Mahal kita sa lahat ng araw na ibigay ng Diyos. Salamat sa pagmamahal na bumuo sa akin. Huwag ka mag-alala at ngayon magsasama na tayo. Mas totoyoin ako pero mas mamahalin kita habang buhay.